Hello, friends. It's the 6th day of Christmas. We are almost halfway done with our gorgeous Christmas projects. I love this next one because it involves candy. So if you know me, you know that candy is my thing. I do love candy. So we're going to make this cute little double Ghirardelli treat, because I mean, this way you can get one treat and share one treat, right? So it's actually very simple to do. It's one of those things that, like, once you get it, but at first you're like, what? So just watch carefully and then make sure and get on my email list so you can get the PDF instructions with all the scoring measurements and everything. Well, hello, patience. Hope you're having a great day. Let me point my little camera down so y'all can see my crafting area here. We've had so much fun with our 12 days of Christmas. I hope you have. I have. Yesterday I got to go live twice because we had our 12 days of Christmas, but also it was my normal day to go live, so I didn't want to upset my fans and not show up on my normal time. So we had two. We had a bonus yesterday. Here's what we made yesterday. It was so cute. Last night at 8. So I go live every night at 8. Isn't that adorable? Oh, good luck with that, Patience. I am grateful that you're able to do that. So I know she's been through a lot. All right, so here's what we're making. What you're going to do is you're going to get some score lines. It's important to get your score lines in here. So we're going to use this Frosted Gingerbread, and it's a 6x6 paper, okay, which is perfect because that's the size you need to start with. So your first cut is already done. It's gorgeous. It is 48 sheets for $11.50. As far as I know, it is still available. I will tell you, many of our holiday catalog items are already sold out. So once they're gone, they're gone. The last chance list is already posted. We've talked about the video. Just go to my YouTube channel. Hi, Jewel. Good to see you. Go to my YouTube channel and find that video of what's retiring. All right, so Frosted Gingerbread is the stamp set we're using, and we're using this Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer series paper. So let me explain to you what score lines you're going to need. So rather than telling you like specific, like 4 5/8, like let me just show this to you intuitively. Okay, I mean there are going to be numbers involved, but so your first score line is going to be straight down the middle at a diagonal, okay? So straight down the middle at a diagonal, score, okay? And then you're going to take this point and you're going to shift it over by 1/2 inch. Okay, shift it and shift it evenly. Score. And then you're going to turn it 180 degrees, line up your points again, and then shift it the other way, 1/2 inch. I guess you didn't really have to turn it around, but either way, you're scoring 1/2 inch from the score line going this way and 1/2 inch from the middle going that way, okay? So score, score. And then you're going to take your whole little piece of paper. Well, hello, Carol. And you're going to shift, you're going to put the point of it at 2 3/4, okay? So your original score lines were this way. Now you're going to put your point right here at 2 3/4. And you can kind of eyeball over here and just make sure that your points are in the same general vicinity, okay? So 2 3/4 this way, and then flip it 90 degrees and do the opposite side also at 2 3/4. Okay, you can do that in your trimmer or your scoring tool. My scoring tool is downstairs, so that's why we're using the trimmer today. All right, so now you've got this great piece of designer paper that's all scored up and ready for you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to, oh, thank you for sharing, Carol. You're so good to remember that. I always forget to ask Jewel and Patience and Carol and my other person that's watching, please share this video. I love it when you share. And remember, at the very end of the 12 days of Christmas, we're going to have this drawing for this stamp set for all the likes and shares. So that's fantastic. And each day I give away a prize. So today's prize will actually be the project that we're making. So make sure and comment, like, and share. And to get into the prize drawing each day, you need to fill out the door prize form that's listed on this Facebook post. Okay, I do think it's working again. Hi, Gail. I think it's working again, so make sure pop in there and fill out that door prize form listed in the information here. All right, so you've got your 3 middle score lines here and then your 2 3/4 score lines here. So you're going to start with your 2 3/4 score lines and you're going to fold this in and fold this in. It's a great idea to use a bone folder. Let's see if I've got one. Oh, I do. It's always great when I have what I need. All right, so score, okay? And then you're going to take this whole situation and fold it like this, okay? Score. And then you see these 2 little score lines. You've got that one there and then this one there. Score. Okay, that is it. Let me do that again. I've got another piece of paper here. So fold in at your 2 3/4, fold up in the middle, and then fold back at those 2 little score lines that you put in. Voila. Okay, it's really quite simple once you get the hang of it. All right, so now we're going to use one of my favorite punches, and this is a triple duty punch. All right, so it does 3 things. It punches corners, it punches holes, and it punches this gorgeous little edge. Now let me show you what the edge looks like. That one we're not using, but that's really cute. And I'll show you about the other 2 because we're going to use them. So I want this to be rounded just for prettiness. So we're going to shove this whole thing in here, and that rounds our corner. Isn't that make it just a little bit cuter? And then we're going to shove this whole thing in this next corner. And here we just have to kind of center it and punch. And it makes a little hole. Now, I'll tell you when you're using this punch, make sure and press down in the very center. Okay, if you press on the end, it won't work. You have to press down in the center of it. But it's a great little punch because it's 3 in 1 and it's only $20. I wrote the information for it, the information number for it in the post here, but it is listed here on page 150, 146, 320, and it's $20. Love it. So add that to your wish list if you don't already have it. All right, remember this cute ribbon we used yesterday? We're gonna use it again. This is the Playful Pets Trim Combo Pack. This is in the annual catalog, and it's perfect to go with this suite. So it is adorable. Red and white little hash marks. I love going back to our annual catalog to look at ribbons that will go cute with what we have in our minis, right? So it's fun to pull in ribbon that you have in the annual catalog into your holiday or spring projects. That's what's coming. Okay, so now we have our cute little bow. And these peppermint from Ghirardelli fit perfectly in here. Isn't that fabulous? So you put 2 of these in here, and that makes it stand up just perfectly because it gives it just a little bit of bulk and heaviness. So you could put these on your your Christmas table at each spot. You could put people's name on here. Of course, we're going to stamp. And I have already pre-cut a couple of circles using my circles dies. So just look for this size one with the scalloped This one's about 1 and almost a little bit shy of 1 3/4. So that's the circle you're looking for. And it looks like I need red ink, which, let me go see if I can find it. I've been using it a lot because I'm already working on Valentine's. Yes, when stamping is your business, you have to work way ahead of time. So I'm already working on some Valentine's projects for you. So be ready. January is going to be awesome. Ooh, I forgot, Carol, you're right. I used this for a cute retreat I did, and we did put tea bags in there. Thank you for that reminder. Yes, tea bags fit perfectly. You could put like chocolate on one and tea on the other. It would be so cute. Okay, so let's pop out the Frosted Gingerbread set, and we're looking for this stamp that says, wishing you a Merry Christmas. You could knock these out in no time. And surprise and delight your friends and family. You know what's fun this time of year? When you're out shopping, like just make up some of these and just carry them with you and just give them out to the people that are checking you out. They will lose their mind because right now people are so stressed and they forget to say thank you to people that are in retail. And it's just fabulous to surprise somebody with an extravagant gesture. And it seems really small, but it can be so big to someone that's in that scenario. All right, so we've got our little tag, and I did put it over here. I started here, but then you can't see the cute chocolate, so I did end up putting it here. That's how I decided. And I chose to go ahead and put my dimensionals on the project so that I wouldn't have to worry about the dimensionals sticking to the chocolate. So that was my thought process there. So perfection. And then, of course, we're going to finish it off with 3 perfect little red rhinestones. So we've used these yesterday. They are perfect for Christmas, but don't worry if you've already done all your holiday crafting. You're going to need them for Valentine's anyway. So pick up some red rhinestones, or if you put in an online order with me this week during the 12 days of Christmas, so through the end of next week, if that order is $50 or more, then you get free red rhinestones, okay? Just use the host code XJUPNAAA. It is included in the link that I included on this post. Remember to get on my email list for all the PDF instructions of these videos. I emailed out days 1, 2, 3, and 4 yesterday, as well as the YouTube videos. Don't forget the door prize form. Whoever fills it out, I'll draw tomorrow for one of these. As soon as we're done here, I will look at the door prize form from yesterday, and I will draw for a prize. I'll post a picture of the prize in the Facebook page here, sorry. And remember to like and share for the grand prize drawing at the end, and that is our cute Holly Jolly Wishes stamp set. So I hope you enjoyed this fantastic Facebook Live, and we will see you tomorrow.